compilation of weird faces Sheena can make.
We were hoping to welcome you to episode 2 of Trash Talk with the one and only Sheena Blends. But it... Oh,
Oh!
oh,
Oh! Stop training.
it's reducing. Nice. Sheena, how are you doing?
Um,
Are you excited?
no.
Why?
I'm very nervous. Like, these are the worst circumstances to...
That's not true. The contrast is less, you'll feel less cold.
Maybe. I don't know. I just want to do it. I want to get done with it.
You want to get down? Okay, let's start putting some ice into it.
Oh my god. Don't it touch my back?
Oh.
And then I'll feel cold.
No, we'll crush it. I think this is about 15 kilos of ice. It's an ice pick for you.
It's a therapeutic activity.
No, the therapeutic activity is going into the ice.
No. I thought I'd enjoy it because it'll be like removing
Yeah,
my
who are you
anger.
thinking about?
I'm thinking about my exes.
How many exes do you have?
4 serious exes.
4 serious exes.
Yeah.
Really? I can't think of anyone ever being serious.
I was serious. I don't know about them.
Okay, let me ask you this. What makes you special?
My personality, my humor.
Bro, you're really bad in this.
Yeah.
Can I just say it's not that hard? It's not that cold, by the way.
I'm gonna say some like absurd number now, like -2 or something.
Okay, it says outside is 28 degrees. Once again, did you really think it's going to be -2?
No.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
Water becomes solid at
Yes,
0
yes.
degrees.
I know. Kelvin.
What about Kelvin? Why did you say Kelvin randomly?
I just remembered something about Kelvin and the perfect zero and.
Don't put your hand in.
It's bad.
It's not bad, it's like 7-8 degrees. Come, let's get in.
Yeah.
You have 6 minutes to talk. When's the last time someone asked you to talk?
I can't.
And go! Oh,
Oh my god!
nice.
How are you just.
It's pretty cold, but my fragile male ego encourages me to stay chill when there's a camera rolling.
I'm a chill guy. Oh, this is really cold. Okay. Everything is fine.
Tell me, Sheena, what's a day in your life like?
I wake up and then some days I struggle to get out of bed.
What does that mean?
So then I just doom scroll for a while. But most days I get up and I eat breakfast. I'll plan what to shoot for the day, what calls I have for the day. Get
What
that
kind of
done.
calls do you usually have?
Calls with brands, discussing briefs.
Discussing briefs?
Yeah.
How much money does a content creator of your scale make?
That's subjective.
Sure, but let's just boil it down to specifics. You are a beauty-specific content creator who is female and lives in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Has between 50 and 100,000 followers. How much money do you make on Instagram?
The max you can make is 4 times your follower count.
Max you make 4 times the follower count in rupees.
Yeah.
So if you have 80,000 followers, in the max you could do is like 3.5 lakhs a month.
Yeah, around 5-6 lakhs a month.
That's more than 4 times your followers.
That's way more than 4 times, yeah. But that's the max. And the minimum is your follower count.
How old are you now?
I'm 26.
On that
I'm
note,
not age.
let's restock the ice.
What do you mean? Why? Stop it!
That's for me. This is not part of the plan.
Why? Are you mad or what? What kind of torture is this?
Thank you, Shubha. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling. What is the word? Way I'm thinking.
That's
of
a bad answer. Let's get
satisfactoriness. I'm feeling cheated.
Okay, how long did it take you to get booming on Instagram?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Is it worth the time?
Yeah, fully.
What is your long-term goal with it?
Long-term goal is to have enough distribution so I can create a product for my community. This is fucking.
What kind of product do you want to do?
I don't know. It depends.
You want to build a business? Do you think you're capable?
Yeah.
You think you're capable?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you lying?
I'm not lying.
Is the ice helping you be alone with your thoughts?
Not at all. It's making me think about how I don't have any strength and endurance.
That's true. You're pretty weak. We should help that. Can we get some more ice?
No, shut up! I'm giving you very satisfactory answers.
That's for me to decide. Comment down below. Are Sheena's answers satisfactory?
I think that's very satisfactory.
You haven't been on a podcast in a while.
No,
Why?
I don't do that anymore.
So now you're rebranding yourself, is it?
I'm not trying to really do it.
Not, it's just happening. Like, I'm just a
happening.
premium person now.
Yeah, now I'm just a premium
I'm just
person.
a premium person. What were you saying the other
Because
day
I
about...
make more money. When you make more money, you just become more premium. Actually, I don't think that's true.
You don't think that's true? Who
Like
have lots
West
of money
Delhi
but are very
people.
greedy. West Delhi people. What's the deal with West Delhi people?
They're so flashy. They
Oh,
wear
interesting.
like all the brands that they own.
You find
I find
it
it
strange.
cringe. It's my
find it
version
cringe?
of cringe. Yeah. I don't
And the
think there's
videos that you make.
They're just me.
Okay.
If someone finds them cringe, they're free to find it
They're
cringe.
free to find it cringe.
That's their opinion. An opinion is not a fact.
No, as in, how do you define a fact?
It's a reality. Yeah, like this water is cold.
But it might be warm to a polar bear.
Yeah, maybe. But they can't talk, so just shut up.
How much money is enough money for you?
I think on a monthly basis, if I was earning 10 crores a month, I'd be like, yeah, cool, I'm chilling.
10 crores a month.
Yeah.
120 crores a year.
Yeah, I'd be chilling.
At that stage, you'd be like, this is okay.
I don't want more than this, for sure.
And you'd spend all 10 crores in a month.
No, I do charity.
You do, from that 10 crores?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds about right.
Yeah.
Sounds like a good amount of
I've
money.
thought about this question a
It's
lot.
about, it's $1 million a
I
month.
discussed it with ChatGPT.
But this is, we're talking about 1.25 crores a post. You need like 50 million followers.
Yeah.
I have an inkling that
Yeah.
Instagram is not the
No.
way. Okay, if you want
You
to
need
make
to
10
be
crores
like
a
a
month,
brand.
you need to be a brand, like Kim Kardashian.
Yeah.
You think you
Like-
have what it takes?
No.
Why? Not enough surgery. Would you get cosmetic surgery?
Yeah.
What would you do?
I'd get my cheekbones lifted.
To where?
Just like make my face sharper. I don't like my.
Golu Molu face.
Yeah. Sexy people have like snatched faces. I can't
Snatched
have a
faces.
snatched face because I have like golu molu
Golu
face.
Molu face.
And I'd fix my hairline. It's uneven and weird.
Fascinating. Do you think cosmetic surgery is more accepted in India now?
I don't think tier 2 cares about stuff like that. They're like, अरे इसने तो काम करा है, इसका क्या?
You think that's like an India problem? Nobody wants to accept that the distance between them and someone successful, good looking, cool, whatever, is work. They always want to accept that it's an easy way out or something wrong.
Pretty privilege is very real. No?
Have you seen two sides of pretty privilege?
Yeah.
What is it like before and after?
My friends were really mean to me in school, and then when I did get moderately pretty, when I was working, I just got a lot of things done. Like if I was late for work, I just talk a little nicely to my manager, and he'd be like, "No problem, koi baat nahi."
And this is when what work you were doing? You were at Taj.
Yeah, I was working in hotels.
You were a receptionist.
I've
What a
been
come
a
up.
receptionist. I've been a waitress.
You were a waitress.
I've been
How have you never waited at a table I've been at?
housekeeping staff.
You've been
I've
housekeeping, you've cleaned rooms, is it?
Yeah.
Really?
I never cleaned any bathrooms
Why?
because I have pretty privilege.
Oh,
I just look at them and be like, नहीं मुझे नहीं करना. And
They're
then
like,
they'll
"ठीक
be
है."
like, कोई बात नहीं मैम आप बैठो.
What
आप
salary
काजू
were you
खाओ,
at?
कोई बात नहीं. I'd get a stipend. I'd get like 3,500 a month.
3,000 rupees a month. You can hire housekeeping staff for 3.5 grand a month. Where? But now you make more money from that than that from posting like one Instagram story.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's pretty crazy.
That's pretty crazy. Considering you'd post that story for free.
Dude, my ring has become silver.
The ring has become
They
silver.
said it's anti-tarnish.
What?
They lied.
Who's
They
they?
lied.
Oof, my body's a bit froze.
Feeling like cold.
You have a robe for Sheena? I hope.
Oh, my hands are frozen.
What does it say?
It says
It says Vedu
Vedu
is...
is the loser.
You want to tell the story of why this towel is so cute?
When I used to work at Taj, anytime he met me, he'd say, "Hey, towel leke aa."
I was a lot more polite about it. I'd say,
So
Sheena,
he's like, "Could I have some fresh
fresh
towels,
towels.
please?"
And
I'd
she
just
never
be
called
like-
me fresh towels until my birthday last
Until
year.
I became a hot, successful bitch, and I was like, "Take your towels." Like,
People don't understand how to give presents, you know. Most people are really bad at it.
yeah. There's this essay called "The Unbirthday Present." A gift that you give because of an occasion is not really a gift.
It's a formality.
It's a formality. It's an obligation.
a
I
good
think
one.
personalized gifts are the sweetest. And
Sure.
they're-
Of course
Yeah.
you think that.
Of course I do. It started raining again.
The universe is telling us to cut. On that note, thank you for coming to be my first female guest on Trash Talk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below and tell us who we should get next.
Yeah.
And subscribe to my channel and all of that.
Yeah.
See you guys next week.